You've moved abroad, opened the App Store to grab an Indian banking app or a streaming service from back home, and hit a wall. You get a message reading, "This app is not available in your country." The usual response is to look for workarounds. People hunt for jailbreaks, download sketchy third-party profiles, or try to trick their phones with a VPN. But Apple actually builds a fully official pathway directly into your settings to change your digital region. Because this is an official protocol designed by Apple, there are no hacks involved. You face zero risk of an account ban, and your device's security remains completely intact. Successful downloads depend on the regional data assigned to your Apple ID profile. The immediate instinct when hitting a geo-block is to fire up a VPN. For the App Store, that approach fails every time. Look at this network logic. A typical VPN masks your IP address, bouncing your signal across global servers to spoof your location. But the App Store ignores your network IP, strictly scanning the registered country locked deep inside your Apple ID account settings. This strict check works in your favor. It means you can execute a region switch while sitting anywhere in the world without touching a single piece of location spoofing software. The App Store operates as a closed bureaucratic loop, completely blind to your actual physical coordinates. Before Apple lets you make that switch, you have to pass what we call the clear down. These are 4 mandatory account requirements that act as absolute blockers if left unresolved. In this visual breakdown, the first requirement is your Apple account balance. You must spend remaining store credit to exactly 0. The second requirement focuses on subscriptions. Active plans tied to your current store must be fully cleared. Simply hitting cancel is insufficient. The current billing cycle must fully expire. Requirement 3 is purchase history. Resolve any pending rentals, pre-orders, or refunds. Finally, Requirement 4 handles family sharing. You must temporarily leave any sharing group you're currently in. If you leave even a single cent in your balance or a single day on a subscription, the system rejects the transition. Digital mobility within the Apple ecosystem requires absolute zero encumbrances. With your account cleared, open your iPhone Settings app and tap your Apple ID profile name right at the very top. Navigate down into the Media and Purchases submenu. Select View Account. Your iPhone will trigger a quick Face ID or password verification here. Tap the Country/Region button and then select Change Country or Region. Scroll through the alphabetical list, select India, and you will confront the Terms and Conditions screen. Tap Agree and confirm it a second time. This pulls up the final barrier, the payment page. This path is buried deep inside the iOS settings architecture, but it serves as an intentional, permanent route for those who know the steps. This is exactly where most people stop. It looks like you immediately need an Indian credit card or a local bank account to proceed. If you only intend to download free apps, look at the payment options and firmly select the None button. Bypassing the financial requirement does not mean you can bypass the geographic one. Apple still strictly requires a valid Indian street address. Any legitimate address fulfills this requirement. You can use a family member's home, an old childhood residence, or a friend's apartment. To switch digital states, Apple's bureaucracy demands a geographic footprint, but it does not demand your financial data. Finalize the form, hit Confirm, and then open the App Store. You will see the environment change immediately. Decumancy markers switch to the rupee symbol, and regional apps that were completely restricted appear right on the featured page. Every app you downloaded from your previous country stays exactly where it is on your phone and continues to function perfectly. Your new mobility works in both directions. You can switch your region back to your home country at any time, just by running through that simple 4-step account audit once again. Configuring your account settings provides consistent access to regional software catalogs. If these instructions helped you resolve a not available error, hit that like button, share it with others, and subscribe for more technical guides.